We are talking about the shifting into the vibration of the new earth. And how do we do it? I am going to give you a personal experience of how I shifted into the new dimension without thinking that I was going to do it. It is flipping into another dimension with our bodies, with our feeling bodies, with a vibration that runs right through the body. And when this vibration, aliveness, we can call it awareness, turns on inside the body, it's like it tunes into a pulse, the pulse of existence. And when we are pulsing, vibrating at that vibration, we are able to tune into another dimensional way of being, which is right here. You know, if you had to draw a block and say, I'm going to do the dimensions of this object as it progresses through dimensions, we're going to keep like 1D, 2D, 3D, and we're going to keep with this mode as adding another dimension to this, which is already here. And that dimension is felt through the body and perceived then as energy, as a vibration, as a feeling, as it's a very physical experience of being in a bliss state, a calm state, a serene state, inner state, non-judging everything, simply being an extremely serene state which can feel everything, which can feel everything. And it's particularly strong when we are in nature, because there's a lot of that vibration in nature, very much alive. It's vibrating through nature as well. And then when one is in that vibrational state, it's nature dances for you. Nature talks to you. Nature moves through you, with you. You feel yourself as one with everything. One with everything. As being the vibration, and also that vibration emits from out of ourselves. Our awareness emits from out of ourselves, and when we tune into this other vibration, it's like our awareness shifts into another vibrational state of absolute peace, wonder, harmony, love, gratitude. And it's not like the bad things go away. Everything is still exactly as it is, but one is able to notice where there is life and where there isn't. I wasn't there for that long, I'd say 2 weeks, but then there are pinpricks. Overall, I feel like it is a gradual vibrational shift through the body. So one can do this massive whoop jump in one go when you meditate in silence, like I did for 10 days, meditating through the sensing, feeling body, like the Buddha told us. And like Jesus said, God is within you, you know. Just meditating into the simple visceral body with absolute no expectations. Absolute no expectations other than just being and feeling within oneself. And somehow, boom, That's how we strike the chord of that vibration. I want to add one more thing about this new earth vibration and what I saw when I went into it, or every now and again when I go into it. So I went into it quite far. I was going through the veil, but in and out, in and out, in and out the veil. And in that process, when I was going in and out the veil, I could perceive the process of the veil. And this only lasted, how long did that last? Maybe like 3 hours? But then after that, those 3 hours, I stayed in a state of harmonious bliss where everything, and particularly nature, was extremely beautiful. It's like I was seeing it not through my interpretive mind, but simply feeling it exactly as it is. And it is extremely brilliant. It's like nature talks to one. It's like nature calls you, speaks to you, interacts with you. But that part where one goes through the veil, what it looks like on the outside, what it looks like. So it looks like exactly what you see right now. Now, if you're in nature, this effect is much stronger. So everything looks exactly as it is. But then something flips. And it becomes extremely luminous, brilliant, glorious. And it also becomes see-through. One feels the energy that it's made up of by being it. It's like you become it. You are it. You feel it. You feel the energy that is manifesting or calling into being manifested stuff. It's the energy that wants to be the leaf. It's the energy that wants to be the sky. It's when it chooses and then becomes the sky, where it pulses as pure vibrational energy. It's that dimension. And then you almost feel like nothing actually exists, that it's just this like energy, like light beams or something like that. Like it gets lighter and lighter and lighter. It's like you move along the understanding of the denseness into a much less dense state of understanding and being. And then you can slide your awareness back into a denser state, but still not the complete dense, lighter, where everything is super light and looks like see-through, but it's not at the extreme stage where it's bouncing in and out of reality. And there we can go further. It felt, I didn't go further, but it felt like I could go further into the absolute nothingness, but I knew I would dissipate. But sometimes I wonder, should one go back? Sure. Anyway, if one can bring some of that lightness into the denseness, it starts balancing it out. Just one's own vibrational experience of it. Sure. Yeah, and the way that we tune into this vibration is obviously through the body, through the feeling, sensing body. It's like without any thought. It's a very childlike, innocent, physical, visceral thing, like a birth. I sometimes think it's like a tennis ball. You know, the magicians, they have a tennis ball and then suddenly it's flipped the other way around. You're like, how did that happen? It's almost like that happens. Like you go into the body and then something just flips, like through the body, as though one goes into a bigger understanding of the vast universe. But it's like an internal flip. Super interesting. I bounce back and forth. What a wonderful process. I love you.